Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify products to Amazon. First, you will need an Amazon Seller Central account. Then, decide on your integration method, either a third-party app or manual listing. This connection allows you to manage inventory and orders efficiently, reaching millions of potential customers on Amazon. It's a straightforward process that can significantly boost your sales channels. Many merchants find app-based solutions the easiest way to connect. Apps like ZCommerce or LitCommerce offer robust features, automating inventory updates and order management between Shopify and Amazon. You can typically set up your connection in under 15 minutes, allowing you to quickly list hundreds or even thousands of products. These tools also help manage product variations and pricing rules effectively. For those preferring direct control or with fewer products, manual listing is a viable option. You can add products one by one through your Amazon Seller Central dashboard. Alternatively, use Amazon's inventory file templates, often called CSV files, for bulk uploads. This method requires careful attention to detail, but provides complete oversight of every product's information and categorization on Amazon. To succeed, prioritize accurate inventory management across both platforms. Implement real-time synchronization to avoid overselling or stockouts. Optimize your product listings with compelling titles, detailed descriptions, and high-quality images to attract Amazon shoppers. Always stay updated on Amazon's selling policies and performance metrics to ensure your account remains in good standing and maximizes sales opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.